Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Tflix app to your Fire Stick in 2026. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you just a couple of minutes. And now the very first step is you have to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. To do so, we just need to go to search on your device, open the search bar, and you start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on it, and here is that app, which you gotta get. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet because you still need to set it up. So now, in order to actually stop Downloader, we'll need to go to the settings. So click on that button with the menu, scroll down, and open the settings from here. So we open them, and now you go into My Fire TV from here, click on it, and then the next step is we'll need to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might actually be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So when you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. You open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go into the installation of unknown apps from here. And now what you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we head back to the list of apps on your device, and there's the downloader, which we got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They've got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Hungary right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head straight back to a list of apps on your device, and then we open up this downloader application right here. So open it. Now here at the top, you will see this search bar. We will open it, and now it's time to enter a code to download Tflix application to your Fire Stick device. So now the code that you have to enter is going to be 4020823. So again, 4020823. That is the code you will have to enter. Then click next, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firestick. Now you would have to click consent right here, and now the download of the file has started. Usually it takes just a couple of seconds, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. After that, don't click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on a Fire Stick device. So click on delete and then delete once again to save yourself some free space on the Fire Stick. And then we can already get back to a list of applications. And here is the Tflix which we just got. Now, first of all, I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your remote. You hold it down, and this menu on the right side will appear. Click on Move to Front, and that way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Once again, if you don't have a VPN yet, you can use my link below this video to get 3 months free of charge, and then enjoy the Tflix application. Bye bye.